afternoon, everybody. We're out here, we got the family in for Christmas, and we are doing paneling for the walls today. So we're gonna go around and screw into all the framed out section, and we'll hopefully get at least most of it done today. As you maybe can hear, our activities have been shut down by rain because it's December. But hey, that's alright. It's gonna get done. You can see we got a little bit started in the back there, just some of the big panels, but that's it for now because this stuff's MDF and it's gonna absorb water, so we don't want to get it all ruined trying to get it in fast. So we'll get to it when it's a little bit drier out. So we're back at it again. We're gonna get hopefully the rest of the siding up today. Our friend Mike is gonna come and help out because, you know, nothing better than having your friends help you on vacation days. But that's the goal, and if we get done with that, we'll probably start working on designing the drawers for up front here, and maybe even get the cabinet masked off the paint, pull the drawers off, things like that. But those are the next big steps. Obviously there's a lot of custom cutting and cutting around outlets and things like that that needs to be done before this is ready to go, but that's what we're doing next, so enjoy. It's time for everybody's part of the day, recap time. So as you can see, we made pretty good progress putting walls up all around. Got the solar panel control mounted. It's telling me the battery's low because we haven't had sun in a couple days. We also have pretty much got all the panels up all around on the sides here and the back, so it's looking really good. You'll notice a lot of little black screws everywhere. I'm gonna go get some paint match for this and paint match that, and then again I need the seams you can see along the ceiling or wherever else between panels. Those will get a little bit of caulk and then the same paint over them as well. So yeah, it's come pretty far. Next step, I think, before I get too far, is I want to make sure I get this sanded and painted as well before I put anything up here, because I don't want to paint all the surface the wrong color. And then I'll do the other cabinet that's in the garage as well right now. I also lowered the instant water heater so that it does have a little bit more space to vent here, and the shield has some room too, just to make sure we're not right up against the ceiling here. So it's going good, and that's our update for now.